On 5 June 2026, the Republic of Azerbaijan will host the global commemoration of World Environment Day in Baku. Located at the crossroads of East and West along the historic Silk Road, Azerbaijan is a land of remarkable natural diversity. Its landscape spans two major climate zones, subtropical and temperate, and encompasses 8 distinct climate types, from subtropical forests to alpine ecosystems, creating rich biodiversity. Azerbaijan is pursuing green growth and renewable energy at pace. As a Paris Agreement party, it has committed to reducing emissions by 40% by 2035, from 1990 levels. It also aims to increase renewable energy to 30% by 2030. Large-scale projects are underway, including the 230 MW Garadagh Solar Plant and 240 MW Khizi Absheron Wind Farm, with additional 1 GW plus capacity projects in development. Urban sustainability is advancing in Baku with modern low and zero-emission buses, EV infrastructure, and smart city solutions. The Karabakh and East Zangezur regions are being transformed into zero-emissions zones, blending renewable energy, ecosystem restoration, and post-conflict development. Modernized water management and climate-resilient agriculture further strengthen adaptation in drought-prone areas. Azerbaijan advanced its environmental policy, focusing on reducing the negative impact of plastic packaging waste on the environment since 2019 by adopting Action Plan. Through new legislative reforms, it prohibited the import, production, as well as sale or provision to consumers in trade, public catering, and other service facilities of single-use plastics and polyethylene bags with a thickness of up to 15 microns. As host of COP29, Azerbaijan advanced the global climate agenda, securing landmark decisions on climate finance and carbon markets, while launching initiatives linking climate action with biodiversity, energy transition, water, agriculture, and societal impact. Building on this momentum, Azerbaijan's National Campaign for World Environment Day 2026 highlights the planetary crises of climate change and ecosystem degradation and their interconnected impacts on people and nature. Under the theme, Inspired by Nature, for Climate. For our future, the initiatives emphasize that nature is not optional, it is central to climate resilience and our collective future. Moreover, Azerbaijan will further enhance its contribution to global environmental and climate agenda through a series of other major events it is hosting this year. These include the 13th session of the World Urban Forum in May, held in partnership with UN Habitat, the 3rd informal meeting of the UNFCCC heads of delegations in Shamaki in July, and UNFC's Baku Climate Action Week. Azerbaijan has made significant strides in protecting its natural heritage. Over 10% of the country's territory is now under protection, including expanding national parks and reserves. A notable achievement is the safeguarding of the UNESCO-listed Hyrcanian forests, some of the world's oldest ecosystems hosting over 3,000 plant species and diverse wildlife. Marine and coastal ecosystems, particularly in the Caspian Sea, the world's largest enclosed water body, are protected through reserves and conservation programs, even as the region faces alarming water level declines. Species reintroduction projects further restore ecosystems, enhancing biodiversity resilience. Azerbaijan's commitment to a sustainable future reflects its understanding of environmental challenges. Through action, Azerbaijan aims to inspire others to join the fight against climate change. Educational initiatives in schools and communities are crucial tools for raising awareness. Azerbaijan's role in global discussions emphasizes shared responsibility toward the environment. Local communities are key to fostering environmental stewardship and sustainable practices. Innovative solutions are essential for addressing the challenges of climate change and sustainability. Listening to and incorporating indigenous knowledge can enhance environmental efforts. Supporting sustainable brands encourages responsible consumption and production. Azerbaijan is promoting a circular economy to reduce waste and encourage resource efficiency. Continuous monitoring and evaluation are crucial for effective environmental initiatives. forming global partnerships enhances Azerbaijan's ability to address environmental challenges. Azerbaijan's vision for the future includes ambitious goals for environmental sustainability. Community-based initiatives play a pivotal role in mobilizing collective action. Inspiring change at the grassroots level is essential for long-lasting impact. Technology is a significant ally in tackling climate challenges and promoting sustainability. Strengthening national policies is crucial for effective environmental governance. Encouraging youth involvement in environmental actions shapes a better tomorrow. Local initiatives contribute to a global impact on sustainability and climate resilience. Ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come requires collective action. The journey towards sustainability requires a collective effort from all of us. As Azerbaijan embraces its environmental role, it invites the world to join hands in addressing climate challenges. Together, we can create a brighter and more sustainable future for all.